Carotid dissection is a tear in an artery wall in the carotid artery, and the carotid artery is one of 4 arteries that has blood supply to the brain. A lot of times we don't know why a carotid dissection happens. It has been associated with trauma. So people after a car accident, and they usually will tell me, my neck hurts. And the tear is in the side of the wall of the blood vessel, and that requires urgent evaluation and for a person to be put on the appropriate management, whether it be a medical management with medication alone, or it's surgical management with a device that we have to go in and put into the artery to protect it. And everyone is different, and what you need is a subspecialized physician that is really adequately trained to be able to diagnose and treat these diseases. At OSF, we have 24-hour coverage for this. We have subspecialized physicians, and that's all they do is manage the vascular diseases of a patient.